You're always tired. Your skin is dry. Your nails are brittle. Maybe your hair's falling out more than usual. These might look like small problems, but they could be warning signs from your body screaming, "You're missing essential vitamins." In this video, we're breaking down 7 signs of vitamin deficiency, what causes them, what they mean, and how to fix them naturally. And if you are new, this is the Healthy Wave. And do smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notification button for more healthy videos. Now let's get into the 7 signs of vitamin deficiency. Section 1. The 7 warning signs. 1. Constant fatigue. If you sleep 7 to 8 hours and still feel drained, it could be a lack of vitamin B12 or iron. These help your red blood cells carry oxygen. No B12 equals no energy. Fix: eat more eggs, meat, leafy greens, or consider a B12 supplement. 2. Dry, cracked lips or mouth sores. This could be a sign of vitamin B2, riboflavin, or iron deficiency. Your skin needs these vitamins to regenerate and stay hydrated. Fix: add dairy, almonds, mushrooms, and spinach to your meals. 3. Hair thinning or hair loss. This is often linked to vitamin D, biotin, or zinc deficiencies. Your follicles need these to grow strong, healthy hair. Fix: get sunlight 15 to 20 minutes daily. Eat fatty fish or take a D3 supplement. 4. Frequent illness or infections. If you're always getting sick, it may be due to low vitamin C, vitamin D, or zinc, which all boost immune function. Fix: citrus fruits, bell peppers, mushrooms, and zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds. 5. Tingling or numbness in hands and feet. This could be a red flag for B12 deficiency, especially in vegetarians or people with gut absorption issues. Fix: fortified cereals, dairy, or sublingual B12 supplements. 6. Brittle nails or white spots. Low magnesium, zinc, or calcium can affect nail strength and repair. Fix: nuts, whole grains, seeds, and leafy greens are your go-to here. 7. Muscle cramps or twitching. If your muscles are randomly cramping, you could be low in magnesium, potassium, or calcium, electrolytes that help with nerve and muscle function. Fix: bananas, avocado, yogurt, dark leafy greens, and hydrate. Section 2. Why vitamin deficiency happens. Even if you think you eat well, you can still be deficient. Why? Modern diets are often low in micronutrients. Stress, caffeine, alcohol, and sugar can deplete your vitamin stores. And if you're on certain medications or follow a restricted diet, you're even more at risk. A 2022 study from the Journal of Nutrition found that over 40% of adults have at least one vitamin deficiency. Section 3. What you can do. 1. Get blood work done. Don't guess, test. A simple blood test can show exactly what you're missing. 2. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Think real, whole foods. Fruits, veggies, nuts, seeds, quality proteins. Eat the rainbow. 3. Use smart supplementation. Supplements are helpful only when needed. Talk to a doctor or nutritionist before loading up. 4. Cut down on nutrient thieves. That means less processed food, alcohol, and sugar. They burn through your nutrient stores like fuel. So if you're constantly tired, breaking out, or your body just feels off, it might be time to check your vitamins. These small symptoms are your body's whisper before it starts shouting. Catch them early, and you can prevent long-term issues with a few simple changes. Drop a like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's always tired for no reason. This might be their answer.